In this video, I'll show you how to remove distractions from YouTube and how to disable recommended videos on YouTube. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Unhook Remove YouTube Recommendation. Click on the first result. Click the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Click Add Extension. Click on the extension icon. Pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Open YouTube in a new tab. As you can see, this extension removes all the YouTube recommendations and distractions. Search for any video you want in the search bar. This extension hides the recommended videos on the home page and sidebar suggestions. It allows you to disable various YouTube elements like the home feed, video sidebar, shorts, comments, and more. Customize it according to your specific needs.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.